Guys, it's Jenny. I'm back and I've got a correction to make. And well, you need to know. So come on in, we'll make it quick. Uh, and of course, if this is your first time popping in, hey, we all make mistakes. We just gotta roll with it sometimes. All right, everybody. Thank you. Go ahead, like the video. It has to follow the same standards as the other ones. But let me tell you, yes, I made a faux pas. And if you watch me long enough, you've heard me tell you, I am really, honest to goodness, dyslexic. That's why this couponing stuff for me is almost a miracle. Because for me to be able to do the math, even without a calculator sometime, well, that's amazing to me. But sometimes I transfix even what I'm reading, and evidently I did that earlier. And I should have known better. I should have known. Now, this deal with your graham crackers and your Hershey's bars and your marshmallows. It is buy 2 items and get 1 free. Well, the 2 items you're buying is the graham crackers and the Hershey's bars. I mean, they alone is almost $9, okay? Your marshmallows are $1.95. And, of course, that's what you're getting for free is your marshmallows, not your other items, okay? Now, the other thing I'm picking up is the Eggo French toast sticks. They are $3.50. You've got a dollar coupon making them $2.50. There are 32 French toast sticks in here. So if you got little ones, this is quite a lot of French toast breakfast. So there's the correction and a little deal for you. Blessings. And I'll talk to you again real soon. And well, have a great day, guys.